Right, just a quick video about how I want you to handle the scale section in your spiral as we begin to complete assignments. So this is spiral. Watch this video if you have a spiral or if you have a folder, okay? So one video, here we go. So spiral, we'll go to our second section. So in the assignment we're going to complete, so remember you're prepping at home. Don't read it at home yet. Don't do that. All right, but you're going to do this at home for sure. After you watch the other video, you'll see that we are working on literature standards 1, 3, and 4. Remember, there are no scales for 1 because that's cite text evidence to support your thinking. But what I want you to do is go to where standard 3 is, which is in reporting category 1, and just beneath it, I want you to write the date that we'll be doing it. So this is a B-Day student, and at least on this one, I remember to write 9/9. Big Things Close Read. That's the name of the assignment we're going to do together so that I can show you how I want it done. Because you all told me that some of your other teachers just assigned things and didn't really walk you through close read. So I'm not an assigner. I'm a teacher, so I'll teach you how I want it done. All right, so that's for RL3. Now, RL4 is in reporting category 2. And this will become second nature to you, which actually makes me a little sad inside. I promise we will do things that are meaningful to you, that are standards based, but that aren't just all about the standards, okay? All right. So, reporting category 2, RL4. I did the same thing except this time I put the wrong date. Sorry, kid whose name I won't say because I have to protect your privacy, but I'll tell you personally. All right? So Big Things, Close Read. So what we're eventually going to do over here, there, is keep a log of our performance on those things. And ideally, I want you to be able to know yourself where you are. We'll spend most of our time here in 2 with our daily learning targets. This is where I'm trying to get you by the end of the year. All right. And it's my hope that you can learn to fairly assess yourself on this scale. That's the whole reason that we have it. But I learned with the Getting Started scale that you guys aren't quite there yet. Some of you gave yourselves 4. You were rocking and rolling, but you weren't sure to where to go get some things. So that's not correct, but that's okay. We're learning. All right, so that's if you have a spiral. All right, if you have a folder. So again, this student doesn't have their scales and page protectors yet or punched holes. I'm not sure what this student's ideas are concerning that, but I'm okay with either punching holes or putting it in page protectors. So we're going to go to reporting category 1. And we're looking for literature standard 3, which I've passed by, of course. Oh, here it is. All right, so for literature standard 3, again, this is a B-Day kid, poor thing. I'm sorry, it should say 9/9. Big Things, Close Read. And then over here, it has a space for the grade. Now, I mean, that's cool, but I'm not exactly sure about grade here. This will probably be more like, well, I don't know. I give numerical grades. We'll see. All right, but go ahead and just write directly on here. If you ever run out of space, you'll just turn it on the back and do it on the back. All right, so that's for RL3, and then RL4 is in reporting category 2, and here it is. I did remember on that one. All right, so the 2 things that you need to have done for Thursday, Friday: label your book. So that's another video. And then this video tells you how I want you to prepare the area under your scales. So remember, in a flipped classroom, the prep is done at home. the work is done in front of Miss Robinson so that she can see how you're learning. All right? All right. I hope you find this helpful.